Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use OneDrive for Business to your files. So here, you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for OneDrive for Business. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this website and you'll be able to see here this details. Okay, so make sure to log in to your account or sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here different settings. Now let's try to open a new tab and then type out OneDrive for Business once again. So once you're done signing up with the first website, and then click on this one. Okay, so right here you can see the plan and the pricing, or you can also try this for free. So here, after signing up for an account, you'd be able to see here now your OneDrive. Okay, so starting off, so get more storage for your files and photos. So you just have to subscribe to a plan if you want to get more storage. So here, when you go to the shared section, you'll be able to see here all of the files that is being shared with you. And for the free plan, we have the storage. Okay. Now right there, you can get more 100 gigabyte free for a month if you are going to start with a free trial and then pay for it for the next month. Now on your home page, you'd be able to see here your recent files. Okay, so for example, if you want to add new files, you just click on it so you can upload a folder, file upload, a folder upload, Word document, Excel workbook, and more. So for example, we are going to upload a new Word document. Just click on it, and then another tab will open. And right here, we just have to change the name of the document first. So I'm just going to name this one as sample doc. Okay, now just have to provide here the information for this business document. So type your info here. Then after that, it will be automatically saved to your OneDrive. So I'm just going to close this one. I don't need to save it. And when we refresh this one, as you can see on the home page, you'll be able to see here the recent folders or recent files that we have created. Now let's go to the My File section. So right here, you'll be able to see your files, your photos in this section. Okay, and then your shared files, your recycle bin, and then the people. Now here on the home page, if you want to share this business folder, just have to click on it and you'll be able to see this share option. So just click on this one, and then to send the link, we have to type out right here the name, the group, or the email of the people. Okay, so for example, I'm going to type out right here my other email. So koikoywork@gmail.com. And then you just have to click on that email. Then you can add another if you want to. Now for the access. So anyone with the link can edit. So we are going to change this one to specific people. And then for the more settings option, we just have to change the access. So I just want them to view this folder. And then if you want to set an expiration date, you have to upgrade to premium, okay? So you click on apply after that. Now you just have to type out your message or your instruction to the people that you are working with. So you can copy the link or send the link after typing out your email. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped us solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.